All right, number 8. What legacy, Bernadette, do you want to leave your family and your community?
I guess the main legacy I want to leave them is to leave them empowered to use property to get them the life they want. I don't particularly want to give my kids everything. I want them to learn to be independent, but to be smart about, and I think that's happening. Yeah, to be smart about how they deal with property and money, and so that they live the life of their creation.
And I think that would start what you're doing with the smashed avocado theory. I think you're instilling that with them at an early age to go along that path. Absolutely.
It's definitely made, like, our number 3 they'd already bought their house very young, and they would sort of have their heads switched, screwed on properly. Our eldest daughter is an analyst, and she was big into shares and really didn't think much about property. But since we did that project together, she's, she is just completely turned around.
Yep.
Saved, bought a better property for themselves, saved up to do a reno, and then figured out, hey, we'll buy an investment property before we do the reno, which I thought was smart because, that investment property's grown a lot through COVID.
Yep.
So, yeah, it is happening.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.